Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain computer science Igcse 0472, and this paper variant is 22, and I'm providing this solution using the Visual Basic. Let's start the session. I have used an array, and this array contains 10 elements. First 5 elements will keep the record of day 1, and second 5 element will keep the record of day 2. Index number will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, so on till 9. And main menu, I will display option in the main menu like 1 for adult, 2 for child, 3 for senior, and so on, like that. First 5 elements represents day 1, and second 5 elements start from 6 to 10 will represent day 2. And in the Visual Basic code, I have used dim number of tickets as an integer, and by default all values I have set to 0. Task 1, display the option attraction and prices for 1-day tickets. Display the options attraction and prices for 2-day tickets. Show the days available for booking. Assume that there are tickets available for any valid day. I have prepared this main menu like that, cost for 1 day and cost for 2 days, and these are the ticket options. Number 1 is for adult, number 2 for child, number 3 for senior, number 4 for family tickets, number 5 for 5 group of people. And this is cost for 1 day, and cost for 2 days option starts from 6 to number 10. Now I have given a choice: press 1 for 1 day option and press 2 for 2 days option. Now it will ask me to enter your choice. If I will press number 1, then it will display me the choices of day 1. Okay, and this is the code, and code I have written ch equal to day 1 underscore options. Day 1 underscore options, it will display all the options. Whatever I will enter the options, that will store into the variable ch, and after this I will check what is in ch. Now because you have selected number 1 means 1 day cost, ticket type, and cost for 1 day. If you will enter number 1 means how many adults. It will keep the records in how many adults. And suppose if you are going to enter 2, enter your choice number 1, how many adults? 2, and these 2 will store into the array at 0 location. And if you will select second value, second options, enter your choice 2, that is how many child. For choice 2 is about the entry of children, and how many children you have entered, 3. And when I will press rather than from 1 to 5, mean just like 6 and onward, or any numbers that is not in between of 1 and 5, then this will be exit from the main menu. When user will enter 6, then it will exit from the main menu, and then it will display extra option. It will display the extra options. Ch equal to extra 1. Extra 1 is a function that will show the number of extra attraction, and it will return what I have selected the option. And this loop will continue. If you will enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will be continue. Select for 2 days option, and if you want to select for 2 days option, you have to enter number 2. In case of number 2, it will display me number 2 options. If day equal to 1, this condition will be false. In the coding point of view, this will not be executed, and it will move to the else part. Else part, it will ask to day 2 option. In case of day 2 options, it will display me 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are the available options. If I will enter any other numbers that is not in between 6 and 10, then it will exit from the main menu. This is enter your choice. I have entered 2 because 2 is used to used for 2 days options. One number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are my options. If I will enter number 6, then it will ask number of adult. If I will enter number 7, then it will ask me about the number of children. Options are available between 6 to 10, and it will be exit from the menu in case of any other number. Suppose you are going to enter number 9. Number 9 is about a family. How many family? That is 2. Okay, and it will store into the record position 8. Index number 8, position number 9. Okay, how many families? 2 families. Exit from the main menu and display the extra attraction. Once you have your selection will be finished, then it will display the extra menu. Now in case of days 2, you have 3 extra attractions. Number 1, number 2, number 3. You can write, you can give any number between 1 to 3, and if you will give any numbers that is not in between 1 and 3, it will be exit from this main menu also. Now you are going to enter your choice, and this time, for example, you have entered number 2, and it shows me number of families. How many number of families? There are 2 number of families you have entered. Task number 2, input the tickets and extra attraction required, then calculate the total cost of the booking, allocate a unique booking number, display the booking details including the total cost and the unique booking number. Suppose day 1, I have entered 2 adults. That cost should be 2 times 20. It should be $40. Okay, now in this case, enter your choice, number 1, and how many adults? 2. I have entered 2 adults. Okay, these are the cost for 1 day. Option number 1, that is adult. How many adults? 2 adults. Now I'm going to enter number of children 3, and 3 times 12, it means it will give me $36. Cost for 1 day. Now option is for the children. How many children? 3 children. Next option is extra line feeding. Suppose you are getting extra option, that is line feeding. Line feeding 2.50 per person. And how many persons are there? Total 5 persons. 5 times 2.5, it will give you to 12.5. And it will shows me total cost is 88.5. Number of persons 5. Your booking details, booking number is 1. This is booking number. Booking number I have written date and time from the system, and number of tickets 5, and total amount is 88.5. 88.5. Do you want to proceed it? You should press yes or no. In case of yes, it will move. In case of no, it will reset all the options. These are the options. Choice 1. And how many? This is that total amount equal total amount plus number of adults time 20, number of children time 12, number of seniors time 16, number of family members multiplied by 5, that is 1 family, total amount 60, and group of members also. Task 3. Ensure each booking is the best value. Check that the total for each booking gives the best value and offer an alternative if this is not the case. For example, buying 2 family tickets is better than a group ticket for a group of 10 that includes 4 adults and 6 children. For example, 1 day option, 2 adults is 40, 3 children is 36, and total is 76. And 2 day option, 3 children cost is $18, it will give you 54, and total cost for adult and children for day 2 option is 114. Okay, but if you will select family cost, because here is also 5 members in family, also there are 5 members. 1 day option family cost is $60, and 2 day option family cost is $90. Same way, 10 members in a group, 10 times 15, $150. 10 members in a group, day 2 options, 10 times to 22.5, it will give you $225. 2 family cost is $120, that is less than $150. And in case of 2-day options, 2 family cost is $180, that is less than $225. These are the choices. Suppose I have entered number 2. Number 1, how many adults? 2 adults. How many children? There are 3 children, and it will shows me family offer is better for you. You should proceed it. Press yes. Okay, in case of yes, it will give you the booking details, number of booking number of tickets, total amount is 60. Otherwise, they are showing 76. Do you want to proceed? Yes. These are the booking details. And in case of going to proceed, yes, it will store the record into the another file, another array. This is the code for this. Means number of adults 2 and number of children 3. If 5, then they will display this message, and if user is agree, then it will give the amount $60. Else if day is 2, then total amount will be 90. In group of members, there are 10 members, then the total cost for 1 day is $120 and cost for 2 day is $180. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.